Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're unboxing and giving our first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the biggest and most powerful iPhone that Apple has ever made, and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on it. Design. The iPhone 15 Pro Max maintains the same general design language as its predecessor, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, it incorporates some key changes that enhance its overall appeal. Notably, the bezels around the display have been trimmed, resulting in a slightly smaller and lighter device. But the most prominent alteration is the replacement of the traditional notch with a pill-shaped cutout. This cutout houses the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Compared to the notch, the pill-shaped cutout is more discreet and less intrusive, contributing to a cleaner look. The design change is a welcome evolution in Apple's quest for the ultimate screen-to-body ratio, and it's bound to appeal to those who value aesthetics and screen real estate. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is available in 4 elegant colors: silver, gold, graphite, and the new Pacific Blue, adding a fresh option to Apple's color palette. In sum, the iPhone 15 Pro Max maintains Apple's reputation for producing sleek and well-built devices that exude modernity. Display. One of the standout features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its stunning display. The device boasts a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2778 by 1284 pixels, offering a pixel density of 458 pixels per inch. This display is nothing short of exceptional, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and remarkable clarity. It supports both HDR10 and Dolby Vision content, ensuring an immersive viewing experience for video enthusiasts. Whether you're watching high-definition videos, playing graphically intensive games, or simply browsing the web, the iPhone 15 Pro Max's display stands out as one of the best in the smartphone industry. The inclusion of HDR support means you can enjoy a wider range of colors and more detail in both photos and videos. With this display, Apple reaffirms its commitment to providing users with the best possible visual experience on a mobile device. Performance. At the heart of the iPhone 15 Pro Max lies the A17 Bionic chip, Apple's latest and most powerful creation. The A17 Bionic is a 64-bit octa-core chip equipped with a 4-core GPU. It represents a significant leap in terms of processing power and efficiency, setting the standard for performance in the smartphone market. In benchmark tests, the iPhone 15 Pro Max consistently outperforms its competitors, making it an ideal choice for power users who demand top-notch performance. From multitasking to resource-intensive gaming, this device can effortlessly handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a professional in need of a reliable workhorse or a gamer seeking a seamless experience, the A17 Bionic chip delivers on all fronts. Camera. The camera system of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is another area where Apple has raised the bar. This device boasts a triple-lens rear camera setup, featuring a groundbreaking 48-megapixel main sensor. Accompanying this powerhouse are a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The front-facing camera has also undergone an upgrade, now featuring a 12-megapixel sensor. The star of the show is undoubtedly the 48-megapixel main sensor. This sensor captures photos with an astonishing level of detail, rivaling even some dedicated digital cameras. Whether you're capturing intricate textures or distant subjects, the iPhone 15 Pro Max main sensor ensures remarkable clarity and sharpness. The ultra-wide lens excels in capturing sweeping landscapes and group shots, allowing you to embrace a broader perspective in your photography. Meanwhile, the 5x optical zoom on the telephoto lens enables you to get up close and personal with distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Apple has also introduced new camera features that elevate your creative possibilities. Cinematic mode for video recording lets you craft videos with a cinematic flair, mimicking the depth of field effects used in Hollywood productions. Photographic Styles, on the other hand, empowers you to apply various filters and effects to your photos, customizing your images to suit your personal style. Overall, the camera system on the iPhone 15 Pro Max ranks among the best in the smartphone industry. Whether you're a professional photographer or simply an enthusiast looking to capture breathtaking moments, this device's camera capabilities are sure to impress. Battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with a sizable battery that ensures all-day usage on a single charge. Furthermore, it supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly replenish the battery when needed. During our extensive battery tests, the iPhone 15 Pro Max consistently delivered impressive results, lasting for approximately 12 hours and 30 minutes on a single charge. This ample battery life is more than sufficient for the average user's daily needs. Fast charging is an invaluable feature for those on the go, ensuring you can quickly top up your device before embarking on the next adventure. With its combination of a large battery and fast charging capabilities, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers the convenience and reliability that modern smartphone users demand. Software. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes preloaded with iOS 17, Apple's latest iteration of its mobile operating system. iOS 17 introduces a range of new features and enhancements that enhance the overall user experience. These include a redesigned lock screen, an improved Messages app, and advanced privacy management tools. The lock screen has been refined to provide a more informative and customizable experience. Users can now access widgets and notifications with greater ease, ensuring that essential information is always at their fingertips. The revamped Messages app offers new ways to connect with friends and family, with enhanced group chat features and a greater emphasis on personalization. Privacy has always been a priority for Apple, and iOS 17 continues this tradition. It introduces more granular control over app permissions and data access, giving users greater peace of mind regarding their personal information. These privacy enhancements reaffirm Apple's commitment to safeguarding user data. iOS 17 retains the user-friendly and intuitive interface that Apple is known for. Its seamless integration with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's hardware ensures a smooth and responsive user experience, making it a joy to use on a daily basis. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max represents a remarkable evolution in Apple's smartphone lineup. With its stunning design, unparalleled display, powerful performance, advanced camera capabilities, extended battery life, and feature-rich iOS 17, it sets new standards for what a smartphone can achieve. Whether you're a professional seeking a versatile tool for work and creativity, a multimedia enthusiast craving immersive content experiences, or simply someone who values quality and innovation, the iPhone 15 Pro Max caters to your every need. While the official release is still on the horizon, all signs point to this device as the pinnacle of iPhone excellence, destined to become a benchmark for the industry as a whole. If you're in pursuit of the best possible iPhone experience, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is unquestionably the phone for you. With its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled user experience, it's poised to redefine what a smartphone can be in 2023 and beyond. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.